Who's not on the billionaires list for 2018? Former Papa John's CEO was on it last year. Now he's gotten the boot from the Forbes billionaire list.
Carlos Slim is once again the richest man in the world, albeit perhaps not quite as rich as he was last year.
Former senator, ex-House Speaker, and real estate magnate Manny Villar is now the richest man in the Philippines, according to the latest Forbes Rich List. Forbes says Villar grew his net worth to $5.5 billion over the past year. That is up from $5 billion as of March.
Gusto kong maging katulad nila, isang successful na businessman.
Par, gising par! Nabangot ka par, gising! Par, gising!
Research. Research and analyze your product, your market, and your objective expertise. Consider spending twice as much time researching, evaluating, and thinking as you spend actually writing the business plan. To write the perfect plan, you must know your company, your product, your competition, and the market intimately. In other words, it's your responsibility to know everything you can about your business and the industry that you're entering. Read everything you can about your industry and talk to your audience. Determine the purpose of your plan. A business plan as defined by entrepreneur is a written document describing the nature of the business.
Investors want to make sure that your business is going to make them money. Because of this expectation, investors want to know everything about your business. In the objective section of your marketing plan, you focus on the what and the why of the marketing task for the year ahead. In the implementation section, you focus on the practical suite and causes areas of who, where, when, and how. This is life in the marketing trenches. Potential reader of a business plan are a varied bunch, ranging from the bankers and the venture capitalists to employees.